Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cabbage and potato curry. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You will need 1 medium head of green cabbage, weighing approximately 2 pounds, and 2 large potatoes, peeled and diced into 1-inch cubes. Don't forget your aromatic spices: 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, and a pinch of red chili powder for a little kick. Also, have 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger ready to go. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's get them prepped. Start by finely shredding your medium head of green cabbage. Aim for thin, even strips. Next, peel and dice your 2 large potatoes into consistent 1-inch cubes so they cook evenly. Then, mince your 2 cloves of garlic and grate the 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Finally, finely chop your 1 large onion. Proper preparation is key to a flavorful curry, ensuring everything cooks perfectly. With your vegetables prepped, it's time to start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Sauté the chopped onions until they become beautifully translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, add the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until their aromas fill your kitchen. Stir in your turmeric, curry powder, and chili powder. Then add the diced potatoes and shredded cabbage, simmering for 20 minutes until tender. Your delicious cabbage and potato curry is almost ready. Before serving, gently check the potatoes and cabbage for tenderness. They should be soft and easily pierced with a fork. Now is the perfect time to adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your personal taste, ensuring every bite is just right. For a vibrant finish, garnish your curry generously with fresh, chopped cilantro. Serve this warm, comforting dish with fluffy basmati rice or warm flatbread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.